I saw your question in the email. You want to use Pythagorean theorem to find the length of unknown side. So, you need to find C, then find the values of each of the 6 trigonometric functions of theta. So I guess it's several parts. Looks like you're having trouble with the first part. So you need to, in the book, the book's really well written. I'd recommend you read the book, read through this section 1.2. It's, it presents it real well. In the section, they'll give you the definition of each of the 6 trig functions. The sine of theta, it's opposite over hypotenuse. And so, right here's theta, and the sine, opposite is this side here. Hypotenuse is always this side here. Adjacent would be this side here. So they do want it in terms of B, capital B and C. So the sine of theta is opposite, which is lowercase a or 12, if you don't use capital BC. And so B over BC. Then it's over the hypotenuse, which is C or AB. The cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. And so here's theta. The adjacent here is lowercase b or 16, and its length is it's AC. And it's over the hypotenuse, which is again, AB. The hypotenuse is C or AB here. So it looks like you're not selecting correctly here on these. And tangent, is opposite over adjacent. And each of these definitions are in the book. So, you need to fill these in, and then you'll have to use Pythagorean theorem, find the length of this, and you actually plug in the numbers. Hope this helps.